Good day. Now we are going to explain the selection sort algorithm. Selection sort is an algorithm that selects the smallest element from an unsorted list in each iteration and places that element at the beginning of the unsorted list. So this is our example of selection sort array. This is our array 3, 9, 8, 1, and 0. So first, set the first element as minimum, which is 3. Then compare it to the next element, which is 9. If the second element is smaller than the minimum, assign the second element as minimum. Since 3 is smaller than 9, so our minimum remains 3. Then we compare it to the third element. The third element is 8. Since 3 is still smaller than 8, still our minimum is 3. After that, we compare it to the fourth element. We compare it to the fourth element, which is the fourth element is 1, and 1 is smaller than 3. So we will set our minimum to 1. Then our minimum now is 1. Next, we compare it to the fifth element, which is 0. 0 is less than 1. So now our minimum is 0. So since our minimum is 0, we will switch it to the first element. So we will switch the 0 and the 3. Okay, so we're going to our second iteration. Okay, here's our second iteration. So we're going to set the second element as our minimum, and we compare it to the third element. So our third element is 8. Since 8 is smaller than 9, we set 8 as our minimum. So let's move on to the fourth element. Our fourth element is 1. Since 1 is smaller than 8, so our minimum now is 1. And let's move on to the fifth element. Our fifth element is 3. Since 1 is smaller than 3, still our minimum element is 1. So we switch the 1, our minimum, to the second element. Let's switch 1 to 9. Here it is. Then we're going to our third iteration. So let's go the first our minimum. Then we compare it to the fourth element, which is 9, but 8 is still smaller, so it is still our minimum. Then 8, we compare it to the fifth element. 3 is smaller than 8, so 3 is our minimum. So we swap it to the third element. Since it is the smallest, then to the fourth iteration, fourth iteration, let's start in, in the fourth column. Nine, 9 is our minimum, then we compare it to fifth column. Since 8 is smaller than 9, so let's swap the both of them. And that's it. We now have our sorted element. Array, I mean. So this is now our sorted array. This is our original array but unsorted array, which is 3, 9, 8, 1, and 0. After we sorted it, this is now our array. This. So that's it. Our minimum. Then we compare it to the fourth element, which is 9, but 8 is still smaller, so it is still our minimum. Then 8, we compare it to the fifth element. 3 is smaller than 8, so 3 is our minimum. So we swap it to the third element. Since it is the smallest, then to the fourth iteration, the fourth iteration, let's start in the fourth column. 9, 9 is our minimum, then we compare it to fifth column. Since 8 is smaller than 9, so let's swap the both of them. And that's it. We now have our sorted element. Array, I mean. So this is now our sorted array. This is our original array but unsorted array, which is 3, 9, 8, 1, and 0. After we sorted it, this is now our array. This. So now since we're done explaining the process of selecting array, we're gonna try it in coding. Include Hmm. 19. What was it? I forgot already. It's 3. Something's wrong with our code. I'm just going to review it. Okay. Okay, finally found it. I forgot the pin. Let's check again. Oh, I think that's it. Ah, still something's wrong. Hmm, 9, 8. It's something's clearly not right. Where is it? Hmm, I'm going to. Mm, Still something wrong with this. Let's try it. Yeah, something's still wrong. And I can't see where am I wrong. Something's still wrong. Okay, something's still wrong. Wait a minute, let me review it first. Where am I wrong? I ex- mm, mm, where did it go wrong? Something's really wrong. Let me just sort it first, then I'll go. So I've already sorted our code, and this is it here. I'll try to run it. And let's put our example array that we did a while ago. Mm, so here it is. This is our unsorted array, and this is the process, and this is the sorted array. It's already in order, and that's it. Now, thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope you like it.